position at the 5th fret. Now remember the blues on the 1st position. I'm on the 2nd string. Remember the blue notes? Well, I'm going to slide on up. Now I'm at the 5th fret. What did I do? I just moved up into that next position on the guitar, which is one of the goals here, to be able to play in the all up and down the neck and connect them. I'm clearly up in the 2nd position now, beginning on the A. 5. Start at the top. 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8, 5. A, C, G, E flat, E, G, A, C, D, E flat, E, E, G, A, C. Now, instead of playing the A minor down here, I'm playing it up here, the bar. Now I'm going to play the D here. Back to A minor. Back to A minor. Just grooving a little bit on. Again, there's minor 1, major 4. That's what I'm at now. The D chord. Major 5, E chord. Back to A minor. Okay, anyways, 2nd position, A minor blues scale. It's Guitar Bobby. Thanks for watching. Peace, always.